You watching the right video at the right time, because don't nothing happen by mistake. Everything happens by divine. Regular people don't know what I'm about to tell you in this video because they don't understand how the universe talks. They don't understand numbers. They don't understand how the universe uses numbers to send you messages. And nobody knows this. This is only for the chosen ones. I'm about to tell you literally how to access money using universal power. I figured this out a long time ago. At first I thought it was a joke, man. Even I thought like the numbers and stuff was a joke. Then I started researching what every number means, and specifically I started to research the eights because my birthday is 12/18/1988, and I just asked myself like, why my birthday got these numbers in it? Why my birthday got eights in it? And I started looking up, and it said the eights mean abundance, prosperity. The same way you look up the numbers for your birthday, you just try to figure out like, what does this mean? So listen, I figured out a secret of how the universe can give you money using the number 8. Now, for those of you who don't know what the number 8 is, I'm really friends with the number 8 because like I said, my whole life is an 8. The 8 is symbolism to infinity, okay? That's why the 8 is like a circle that never ends. Anytime you see 8s, the universe is calling you and it's telling you, be prepared. I'm about to give you money. I'm about to give you prosperity. I'm about to give you abundance. Usually it's money. It could be abundance in anything, any type of items or any type of things, but it's usually really money. It's usually really currency, money, like physical, tangible money. The universe is trying to give it to you when you see the 8s. Now, here's the thing. I don't really know about all these other numbers out there. I don't really focus on all these numbers like that. I mean, I like 1111. You know, I like the 4s. Those numbers are cool to me. I even like 222. That number is cool to me too. But one thing I do know for a fact, and one thing I do know for certain, is that the number 8 is extremely powerful when it comes down to money. You will start to get money if you can see this number. Now, here's the thing about the numbers, folks. It's not about you walking around trying to find 8s like, I see an 8. Oh, there's another right there. Oh, the universe loves me. Yeah, I'm gonna get money. No, that's not how it works. You got to be able to see these numbers unintentionally. You got to see it without trying, okay? That's the only way you're going to be able to attract it. Now, I know the secret on how to make this happen, but you got to listen close. I just got the download this morning to even tell y'all this video. The universe was telling me like, Tren, I want to give whoever watched this video, I want to give them prosperity. I want to give them money. That's what the universe literally told me. And then the universe showed me how to do it with another download. So that's the only reason why I'm here, because I don't know what your situation is. Maybe you want to go on one of my treats and you can't afford it yet. Maybe you got some bills to pay right now and you don't know how you're going to pay the bills. Maybe you thinking about this month's rent and how you gonna get it paid. Maybe you want some good food tonight or tomorrow or this week. You want to live good. Maybe you want a new wardrobe because you know the season's about to change. I don't know, but I know this. You're gonna get it, okay? If you do what I'm telling you in this video, you're gonna get it. Seeing the number 8 one time, that's not gonna cut it. Seeing the number 8 2 times, that's not gonna cut it either. That's insignificant. When you see triple 8s, when you see 888 anywhere, unintentionally, and that number 888 finds you, chances is it's about to start. You just broke the fire hydrant. If you see the numbers 888, that means you on a right frequency to manifest the money. See, a lot of people can't get to the frequency of 8s because it's a powerful number. It's a powerful frequency. Anytime you get on the frequency of 888, your vibration is extremely high. Okay, and that's the only way that you're gonna be able to attract money and you're gonna be able to see 8s is if your vibration is high. But see, most of your vibrations can never get that high. That's why you don't see 8s like that. You see all these other numbers. You know what I mean? Most of y'all probably just see the 1s a lot because that's just a fraction of how high your vibration can get. The higher you go up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the higher you go up to like 8s or shit, I would even say 9s. If you can get up to the 8s and the 9s, your shit is high, bro. You attracting at an all-time high. All right. So I know I stay on the 8 level. I mean, I think it's just because my birthday and I have to be on that level. Like it's ingrained in my head, in my subconscious mind. If you want to get on the 888 vibration frequency in order to get this money that the universe will give to you mysteriously, magically, I know this always works for me. It happens just recently with me. And the same thing happened. I got more money. I can't lie. The first time I started seeing the 8s, man, I got a check right after, like a week after. Second time I saw it, I just know my life changed dramatically. I got a big old break with Google AdSense. I got a big check because I seen the 8s. Just recently, I seen the 8s again. You get what I'm saying? And here I am talking about the 8s. When you get your frequency on that level, it's time. Remember, 3 8s is what you're trying to see. Now, if you see 4 8s, if you get to a level you see 4 8s, you damn near about to get rich. Okay, the universe is trying to load you with the money. It's trying to load you up with the money if you see 4 8s. So now here's what I'm gonna do for you. Here's what I'm gonna do for you. Because I was thinking, I said, universe. I told the universe this morning when I was talking to God, I'm like, God, well, I'm like, what if people don't have the ability to see the 8s? I mean, how are they gonna see them? And something the universe talked to me and told me, universe say, you need to make them a meditation so that it can impregnate in their subconscious mind, because once they get the 8s in their mind, then it'll start to manifest in their reality. I said, well, I don't have a manifestation, like a subliminal manifestation mantra or nothing like that. Should I make one? And I'm just sitting there thinking like, dang, I gotta make a mantra for y'all. But then it came to my mind, I'm like, oh yeah, I remember that one Mark Haughton had. I was like, yeah. I was like, Mark Haughton got a 888 manifestation mantra. So I looked up, I went to Mark Haughton, I talked to Mark, I said, Mark, can I use your manifestation mantra for 8s? So I got it. He let me get it. I'm giving it to y'all, okay? Because that's what you're gonna need in order to start seeing the 8s. If you don't see the 8s on a regular, you gotta put it in your mind, okay? You gotta meditate on it. So I'm gonna give y'all this subliminal meditation thing that you listen to, and what it's gonna do is it's all about the 8s. Okay, it's all about the number 888. It's gonna get into your mind after you meditate on it day and night. You can listen to it while you walk around work with your headphones on. As long as you implant the thoughts in your mind of these 8s, you're gonna start seeing the 8s pop up in your reality. Once you get to the point you start seeing the 8s in your life, the money is going to start coming into your life. I guarantee you. It's gonna come in ideas, inspiration, people gonna give you money. It's just gonna pop up naturally. And this is how the universe gives you money, folks. People don't know how powerful these numbers are. I've been getting 8s every blue moon. It comes in my life every blue moon. And every time it comes, folks, I get money. You know, that's just is what it is. These numbers are significant. Each one of these numbers have power. I know for a fact that 8s is a prosperous number. It's a number of abundance, and usually it has to do with money. So if you want to earn some money, now, you got to get this 888 meditation thing first. Okay, the little thing, I'm gonna put the link at the bottom. You gotta get that first. You gotta meditate on it. After you get it, keep meditating on it. Get it in your mind. And I guarantee you, once you ain't even worried about it or even listening to that one day, you're gonna start to see 8s everywhere pop up in your life. And once they start popping up in your life and you see them unintentionally, you just better go ahead and start getting happy, because the money is gonna start coming to you.